If you need to go live on Rednote, I've got all the information that you need to know about. So without further ado, let us check it out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to jump into over here now is our homepage. So we want to go live. You can hit the plus icon on the bottom of the page. You'll have a few options, okay? Live should be there, but if it's not, this is what is stopping you. So let's go into Me, which is the bottom right-hand side. You'll then see that there is a gear icon on the top right-hand side of the screen. Okay, once you're in here, you're going to go to Account Security, and here you will see that there is a real name verification and an official verification. All right, so the thing is, if you can't go live on Rednote, it's likely because you haven't met the platform's requirements for live streaming, which currently include the mandatory real name verification, which you can see right over here. And this can only be done using a Chinese ID card, meaning if you don't have a Chinese ID card, you won't actually be able to initiate a live stream. You will only be able to view others' live sessions. So this is something that you need to do. Now, of course, if you do have a real name verification method, or you have a Chinese ID card, you can actually go ahead and you can just double check this by going into these settings and ensure that you have attempted to verify your identity correctly. So you're going to go in here and you are going to upload a photograph of your verification ID, and you'll actually be verified. And that is the way you can actually live stream on Rednote.